Hello and welcome back to this tricky math question. Orange plus orange which equals to 18. Here we can see three oranges are there. So to get the value of one orange we have to divide 3 which equals to 6. So value of this one orange will be 6 here. And similarly we will put the value here which is 6 and 6 plus 1 strawberry that is equal to 14. So to get the value of these two strawberry, we have to subtract 14, 6 from 14. So we will subtract 14 minus 6, which equals to 8. So this is the value of two strawberry. To get the value of one strawberry, we have to divide with 2. So we will get answer 4. So this will be value of one strawberry, that is 4. And we will carry forward to this value. So we will write 4 plus this pineapple, which equals to 9. So to get this pineapple value, we have to subtract with the number 4 and we will get 5. So the value of pineapple will be here 5. Okay. Now we can rewrite our equation, which is we will simply put the values of these emojis which have strawberry value, that is 4 times 3 plus this orange will be 6 minus, and pineapple value is 5 square. So our final equation will become 4 times 3 plus 6 minus 5 square. So this is the value, and we will take help of PEMDAS. Here we can see first preference will be given to this exponent part, which is 5 square, and 5 square is nothing but 5 times 5, which equals to 25. So we will simply write 4 times 3 plus 6 minus 25. Now next preference will be given to multiplication. So we will do multiplication here. 4 times 3, that will give 12. So we will write 12 plus 6 minus 25. Now addition and subtraction are equal. So we will do left right. Here 12 plus 6 will give result 18 minus 25, and 18 minus 25 will give 7, that is minus 7. So here minus 7 is the right answer. Watch this video and comment your answer. Thanks for watching.